Hello guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn how to approve posts in Facebook. If you want to review posts that you have tagged in before post them on your timeline and don't know how to do it, don't worry, this video is for you. Without further ado, let's jump into it. Let's open our Facebook app and please follow these steps with me. First, tap on these three lines at the top right corner and scroll down and select Settings. Then we got this. So scroll down until see Profiles and Taggings. Right, here it is. Tap on it. Then again scroll down and stop scrolling at Reviewing. Okay, now select the first option and last turn on this button. Now you will get review before the post tagged before in your timeline. Hope this video is helpful for you guys. See you in the next one.